The Saleen S7 is not just a car, it is a masterpiece of engineering, a symbol of American ingenuity, and a testament to what happens when passion meets precision. From the moment it was unveiled in 2002, the Saleen S7 captured the imagination of car enthusiasts around the world. It wasn't just another supercar, it was a statement, a declaration that America could compete with the best of Europe in the realm of high-performance automobiles. The S7 was designed to push boundaries, to redefine what was possible, and to leave an indelible mark on the automotive world. And it did just that. At its core, the Saleen S7 is a celebration of power and performance. Under its sleek, aerodynamic hood lies a naturally aspirated 7.0-liter V8 engine, a powerhouse that produces an astonishing 550 horsepower in its original iteration. But Saleen didn't stop there. They continued to refine and enhance the S7, eventually introducing twin-turbocharged versions that pushed the horsepower well beyond 1,000. This relentless pursuit of power is what sets the Saleen S7 apart. It's not just about speed, it's about the thrill of pushing the limits of what a car can do. The S7 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, and its top speed exceeds 240 miles per hour, placing it firmly in the realm of hypercars. But numbers alone don't tell the full story. The Saleen S7 is about the experience, the roar of the engine, the grip of the tires on the road, the feeling of being one with a machine that is as much a work of art as it is a feat of engineering. What makes the Saleen S7 even more remarkable is its origin. Unlike many supercars that come from established European manufacturers with decades of history, the Saleen S7 was born in the United States, a country more often associated with muscle cars and pickup trucks than with world-class supercars. Steve Saleen, the founder of Saleen Inc., had a vision to create an American supercar that could stand shoulder to shoulder with the likes of Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Porsche. And he succeeded. The S7 was not just a car, it was a symbol of American ambition and capability. It proved that the United States could produce a car that was not only fast but also beautiful, sophisticated, and technologically advanced. The design of the Saleen S7 is a perfect blend of form and function. Every curve, every line, every vent serves a purpose. The car's low-slung profile and wide stance give it an aggressive, almost predatory look, while its aerodynamic shape ensures that it cuts through the air with minimal resistance. The S7's body is made entirely of carbon fiber, making it lightweight yet incredibly strong. This attention to detail extends to the interior, where the focus is on the driver. The cockpit is designed to be both functional and luxurious, with high-quality materials and a layout that puts everything within easy reach. But this is not a car for luxury, it's a car for driving. The S7 is raw, visceral, and unapologetically focused on performance. One of the most impressive aspects of the Saleen S7 is its racing pedigree. Unlike many supercars that are designed solely for the road, the S7 was built with racing in mind. It competed in various motorsport events, including the 24 Hours of Le Mans, where it faced off against some of the most prestigious names in racing. The S7's success on the track further cemented its reputation as a serious contender in the world of high-performance cars. It wasn't just a pretty face, it was a machine built to win. And when it did, the S7's racing achievements added to its mystique, proving that it was more than capable of holding its own against the best in the world. But the Saleen S7 is more than just a collection of impressive specs and racing trophies. It represents something deeper, a dream realized. For Steve Saleen, the S7 was the culmination of a lifelong passion for cars and a desire to create something truly extraordinary. It was a labor of love, a project that required not just technical expertise but also vision, determination, and an unwavering belief in what was possible. The S7 is a reminder that greatness doesn't come from following the status quo, it comes from daring to be different, from pushing boundaries, and from refusing to settle for anything less than excellence. The Saleen S7 also holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. It's a car that inspires awe and admiration, not just because of what it can do but because of what it represents. It's a symbol of what can be achieved when passion and innovation come together. For those lucky enough to drive one, the S7 is more than just a car, it's an experience. It's the feeling of sitting behind the wheel of a machine that is capable of extraordinary things. It's the sound of the engine as it roars to life, the rush of acceleration as the car rockets forward, and the sense of connection between driver and machine. The S7 is a car that demands to be driven, to be pushed to its limits, and to be appreciated for the masterpiece that it is. In a world where supercars are often defined by their price tags or their exclusivity, the Saleen S7 stands out for a different reason. It's a car that was built not just to be fast or to be flashy but to be meaningful. It's a car that represents the best of what America has to offer: innovation, ambition, and a willingness to take risks. It's a car that reminds us why we love cars in the first place, because they are more than just machines, they are expressions of who we are and what we aspire to be. The Saleen S7 is also a reminder of the importance of perseverance. Creating a car like the S7 was no small feat. It required countless hours of work, countless setbacks, and countless moments of doubt. But Steve Saleen and his team never gave up. They believed in their vision, and they were willing to do whatever it took to make that vision a reality. The result is a car that is not just a testament to their skill and dedication but also an inspiration to anyone who has ever dared to dream big. As we look to the future of the automotive industry, the Saleen S7 serves as a reminder of what is possible. In an era where electric cars and autonomous vehicles are becoming increasingly common, the S7 stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of the internal combustion engine and the thrill of driving. It's a car that celebrates the joy of speed, the beauty of design, and the art of engineering. And while the automotive landscape may continue to evolve, the Saleen S7 will always hold a special place in the hearts of those who appreciate what it represents. In conclusion, the Saleen S7 is more than just a car, it's a legend. It's a car that defied expectations, broke barriers, and set new standards for what a supercar could be. It's a car that embodies the spirit of innovation, the pursuit of excellence, and the love of driving. And it's a car that will continue to inspire and captivate for generations to come. The Saleen S7 is not just a piece of automotive history, it's a piece of art, a piece of engineering, and a piece of the American dream.